Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Olushola David, and on this video tutorial I'm going to be taking you through a quick rundown on how you can start making money with Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Marketing right here in Nigeria. Okay, people have been asking me, how can you actually make money with Amazon? There are a few ways at which you can make money with Amazon. It's either you sell on Amazon, which is the Amazon FBA, or you buy products from Amazon at a cheaper price than resell them in your country. Okay, now, but the most legitimate way to do this is setting up an Amazon niche website whereby you write reviews about Amazon products, put top content about Amazon products, add your affiliate links, and you earn a certain commission if your traffic buy this product on Amazon. Okay, so how can we get started? How can you be a part of this? Now, first and first, you have to head over to Amazon Associate and click on the join now button for free. Okay, so once you click on the join now button, it's going to prompt you to log in, and if you don't have an account with Amazon already, you can just create a new Amazon account, and once you create the account, then you can now proceed to setting up your Amazon associate account. At the end of the process, it's going to ask you to verify your number, and the only way you can do this is using a US number to verify that. Okay, if you don't have a US number, it's okay. All you have to do is just go to your Google Play Store and download the Text Plus app. Okay, having installed the app on your phone, it's going to give you a free US number. So you can use this free US number to verify your account on Amazon. And once it's verified, your account will be up and ready, so you can start promoting Amazon products as an affiliate. Okay, to get paid, if you don't have a Payoneer account, I will suggest you register a Payoneer account. I will equally add the link at the description of the video. So just scroll down to the bottom of this video, you're going to find the link there. Click them and do the necessary. Okay, so to get started, so you have to go over to Amazon and go through their department. As you can see here, we have automotive, we have baby, we have beauty and personal care, books, computer, men's fashion, health and household, and so many other stuffs like that. So what you have to do here is just determine a niche that you know you like, or something you are passionate about. Then write short reviews. It could be longer. Write reviews about this product and put them on your website. Once your article, your review starts popping up on Google web search, okay, once people start seeing your article and they start reading them, and they start clicking your Amazon affiliate link, and they head over to Amazon to buy the product you add the link, you're going to earn a commission on each and every of these products. Commission rate on Amazon range from 4% to 10%. So you can be earning 10%, you can be earning 4%, it could be 8% or any percent on each of the products you are buying. Okay, now so let's say, for example, you want to choose a niche and you want to go with a computer niche. Okay, just click on the computer niche here. Okay, as you can see, we have computers accessory, we have computer components, computers and tablets, networking products. Let me go with computer components. Okay, computer components. As you can see now, this is $59, this is $59. Now what I will advise you do is go for products that is above $100. Okay, so if you're earning a commission on a product that is above $100, the commission is going to be worthwhile. Okay, let's say you are promoting a product of $100 and your commission is 10%. So on each of every sale, you're going to be earning $10. And let's say the product is $200 and the commission is 10%. Your commission rate is going to be $20, and like that. So what you have to do here is just scroll down and come to the price, click on $200 and above. Okay, now these are the kind of products you should want to promote. Okay, as you can see, Samsung TS portable, blah blah blah, $279. Intel, Samsung. So this could be anything. Now the point is just go for a product you like and write review about the products. Okay, let me show us an example. Let me look for a product, then we'll see if there is a review about the product. Okay, there's a product I'm looking for. Okay, let me look for this. Let's say I want to buy this and I want to look for the review. Okay, what you have to do is just go to your browser and put the review there. Okay, so these are reviews already about this product. Okay, so let me just click on this review. Let's say I want to read this review and I've clicked on it. Alright, so this is the review this person wrote about this product. Okay, and as you can see, overview, pros and cons, reviews similar to, these are similar products to this product, and the price is $650. Okay, I think it's still loading. Okay, but then let's say I'm okay with the review and I want to buy this product. So let's just assume I click on this link and I want to buy the product. As you can see, it redirected me to Amazon. Now this is the affiliate link for this product. Now the person that wrote the review here, that wrote the review, this is the affiliate link for it. As you can see, this is the affiliate link. Now let's say I buy this product on Jumia. The owner of this website is going to earn a commission on this product I buy. So now the scope to this is looking for a product that is less competitive, or a niche that is less competitive. Then find products in that niche that you know you can write about, write reviews about this product, and add your affiliate link and post them on your website. If you cannot write articles, I will be adding a link at the description of the video about a website that can get articles written for you. As you can see, get 150 to 300 words article written at $1, 700 to 1000 words written at $4. So you can just source this website and have your content written for you, and before you know it, you have content to post on your website. Okay, so once you have post on your website, what you have to do is start sharing your post. You could go to Nairaland, add the link of this post there, so people can from Nairaland come back to your website, post them on Facebook, you could post them on Twitter, Instagram. Just keep posting them and keep writing and writing articles. So the more traffic you have to your website, the more chances you have on making money with Amazon associates. So this is basically how it works. What you have to do is set up a website, get a domain, a web hosting account, set it up, post your content, add your affiliate links, and start earning money on Amazon. This is how it works. So I've written an article, a step-by-step guide article. It's free. I've written it and I'm adding the link at the description of this video. What you have to do is just scroll down, go to the link and click through so you can see the step-by-step guide I've written on how you can start making money with Amazon affiliate program here in Nigeria. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and equally do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so once I put up another video that is similar to this, you can be the first to know. And once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post another video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.